Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We went down to Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue and we had a good time. We stayed at a new campground that was down there. It's Flathead Rally Point. Adam Sandoval and Jeff from the Cat House leased this property down there and turned this into a kind of like a rally right outside of Eureka Springs, about 3 miles. And it's a good location. We really had a good time.
Good times.
And it's like an old school biker rally where it was a really nice time. They had some good bands there. They did a hill climb there.
Mini bike races and just for fun but races. It wasn't like anything set.
Actually people brought their mini bikes there and kind of did a mini bike drag race kind of. And
it was a good time.
Yeah, it was a real fun time. They had dirt drags. You run what you brung.
You actually got in on that one.
Yeah, I got in on that one. You put an 850-pound bagger down through a dirt track drag racing. I wasn't the only one. Riding in the Ozarks, he got his bagger out there. There's other ones that got their bikes out there. They had Yamahas. They even had an old Gold Wing down there. Shade Tree Surgeon, he had his down there. And then others had theirs that they drag raced on the dirt track. And it was a lot of fun. Plan on doing it again next year. We're planning on going back down to this rally next year. And they had some good bands down there.
They had Jasmine Kane. She is at Sturgis.
Yep. And had Scotty Austin. I have particularly really never listened to him, but he was good. He was good. They had Back in Black. They played up in Sturgis this year, and they came down and they did a good job down there.
As Jasmine was leaving, she stopped and we actually got to meet her, and she's super awesome.
Yep, got to talk to her. She was very friendly, and looking forward to meeting her again, or maybe get to catch a full concert this time.
Yep.
Texas Hippie Coalition, sorry, was going to play down there, but they got rained out. Jasmine Kane, a couple nights before that, her concert got rained on, so she only got to play for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes or so.
Yeah, and so, but other than that, it was a good time. It did get some rain down there, but everybody kept in good spirits. They had a lot of games throughout the day to kind of help keep you entertained. They had some pretty decent vendors.
We did go into Rogers one day, seeing what that was all about. Came back to Eureka.
Yep, came back to Eureka and
went to the Cat House.
Went to the Cat House, had a good time there down in Eureka Springs. That's always a good time. Good food, cold drinks, and a lot of good people there. All around, it was a good time down at Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue. We had a good time. If you haven't got to go, it's a good place to go, and it's a fun time.
And it's only going to get better with the years to come.
And they're planning on doing having this Flathead Rally Point rally again next year. And like I said, we are planning to go. So hopefully you like the video that we're getting ready to show you. Highlights of the rally. And like I said, this rally will get better, I think, throughout the years. This was their first year, and they put it together really quick. So hopefully, it gets bigger. We like to see it get bigger, and I think it really will. So we'll get on with the video, and hope you enjoy it.
Hi, welcome to Flathead Rally Point. My name is Mel. We'll be here all weekend.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the rally. We're over here in the Ozark Mountains in Eureka Springs, having a blast. I'm already double fisting. We're about to take the stage. It's going to be a hell of a party. Whoop whoop! That's what I was told you.
done. Rain will make the colors run, but I'll watch them bleed.
Welcome to Flathead Rally Point, and I hope you guys have a blast.
Got it! Got it!
Oh no! Come on, brown boy! Go, boy! Go! There it is! There it is. About that, more cheese. Lock your feet. Go!
There you go.
Jack, grab Jack. Somebody got it.
Get her!
You got it. Come on,
Got it!
There you go.
And it goes. Who's going to take it? The metric took it. One Harley. Here they come. He's built more like a guppy. He running hard, hell yeah, make some noise for him, give it up. Hell yeah. All right. Let's drink some.
Hey, because I don't know two guys that do more for charity than these two guys. I'm going to split my winnings between Forgotten Angels and the Veterans Charity because these guys set the way to do things.
Hell yeah, there you go. That's what we're talking about. It's all about giving back. That's what we all do.
Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe.
Hit the like button.
Hit the thumbs up. And like I said, we're planning on doing this rally again next year. If you see us down there, come by, say howdy. And we'll probably be handing out stickers, which I know we will.
Got stickers.
So Anyway, keep the rubber side down
and the shiny side up.